Hello everyone, today in this video we'll see how to delete your Tinder account permanently in a very easy and quick method. So let's jump right into it. First we open Tinder, and then from here tap on the person icon on the bottom right corner of the screen right here. After that, tap on the gear on the top right, and from here scroll down until you find this button on the bottom that says delete account. Tap on it and then tap again on delete my account. From here, choose why you want to delete your account. You can either choose any one of these. That's if you want to. You can even tap on skip on the top right corner. However, when you choose one, just after you choose it, tap on delete my account on the bottom, and then your account will be deleted permanently. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions, and thanks for watching.